Okay, so today we have a question which is a easy question because as you will try it, you will find out. Okay, so that's why I haven't included the questions of this. There could be questions, but for cat point of view, it is just a practice question. There won't be questions like this. If you are very much lucky, then you can have such a question. Okay. So, a group of seven students, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, work as economist, agriculture officer, IT officer, terminal operator, clerk, forex officer, research analyst for banks, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, but not necessarily in the same order. C works for okay. So we have this question as we will have. So I hope everyone gets such a question. मतलब understands how such a question can be solved. So here we will have people. Okay. So these are the friends or peoples, and now we need to their on their work and their bank. Okay, in bank which they work. So now let's plot it. Okay, fine. So fine. So C works for N. Okay, C works for N. Is either a research analyst or a clerk. Okay, so I'm just parking this information right now. E is IT officer. Okay, so E is IT officer. Works for bank R. A works for a forex officer. Okay, A is a forex officer. I hope there are no initials as this. Okay, yeah, fine. Forex officer and does not work for bank. Okay, not for L, not for Q. Does not work for L or Q. Okay. The one who is an agriculture officer works for a bank. Okay. So we have this point that agriculture officer will work for M. Okay. The one who works for L works as a terminal officer. Okay. So terminal officer works for L. Fine. F works for bank Q. F works for bank Q. G works for bank P as research analyst. Okay, so G works for bank P as research analyst. Okay, research analyst. D is not an agriculture officer. Okay, not an agriculture officer. Q, who among the following works as Q? Okay, so this is the part which is a question. Okay, this whole part is a question. Okay, question who works for. Okay, fine. I'm leaving this part for now. There were some questions around that, and now we need to plot it. Okay, so how many of them are left? Only one position is left where this could be applied, and we need to apply this also. So it could come to this. These are the C. B and D are the ones who are left. So agriculture officer and TO. I hope this point. The one who is agriculture officer works for M. So agriculture officer this cannot be. So it is terminal officer and works for L, and agriculture officer is this and works for M. I hope you find it right. Okay, because there are only one left where both the things are empty. Okay, their work and the bank. Okay, so this I have used. Now we need to look for the others who are not filled. Okay, so we have having two positions which are not filled. C work. Okay, so here one is also left, so let us check. L, M, N, O is left. Okay, so here it will. Okay, okay, okay. There is no O in this question. Okay, so we need to figure it out. What L done, M done, N done, P done, Q Q done, R done, S is not done. Okay, so this is left for S. Fine. There are two positions left for this question, for C and F. So the work positions. Let me write down. Agriculture officer done, IT done, terminal officer done, terminal operator done, clerk not done, forex officer done, research analyst done. So okay, so economist and clerk are left. Let's check. It is written. C works in N. Is neither a research analyst nor a clerk. So it is economist then, because only two are left, clerk and economist are left, and C cannot be clerk, so obviously it is economist, and the other F is a clerk. Okay, so it was a easy question. I hope everyone gets it. If anyone of you does not get it, then please work hard on a cat examination. Okay, this was a really easy question. Bye.